Isang tagumpay na naman ang nakamit ng puwersa ng gobyerno kontra terorismo. Ito ay matapos maaresto sa Indanan, Sulu ng pinagsanib puwersa ng law enforcement agencies si Myrna Mabanza na isa sa mga most wanted person ng bansa at inuturing ding global terrorist ng United States Defense. Si Mabanza ay sinasabing byuda ng isang Malaysian terrorist, a member ng Islamic State in Iraq and the Levant. Sangkot din umano siya sa paglilipat ng pondo sa pinuno ng ISIS Philippines na si Isnilon Hapilon at nagsilbi rin itong tagapamagitan ni na Hapilon at ng Daesh elements sa Syria. Samantala, bukod sa PNP at Anti-Terrorism Council, ikinalugod din ng National Security Council ang pagkakaarestong ito kay Mabanza.
She was a conduit of several funds being sent by other foreign countries to our country. Actually, she is also wanted by the Malaysian police for his involvement because his former husband is a widower, is a Malaysian terrorist. So marami nang dumating sa ating bansa. Una $7,000 and then $100,000 US dollars and then facilitating yung mga pumapasok na armaments dito sa ating bansa, particularly in southern Mindanao.
With regards to the effect on the operations, most likely with the arrest of Myrna, yung cash flow nila ay maapektuhan and definitely their operations will be affected.
Napaka-importante po ng pagkaka-aresto sa kanya kasi this shows na we are going to hold into account yung mga tao na responsible for terrorism. No? Alam nyo, na-decimate na natin yung Abu Sayyaf group in Mindanao, yung Damaya Islamiyah, ngunit kailangan pa rin nating maaresto yung mga remnants nito. No? So ito po ay significant in the sense na this brings these individuals to justice, kumbaga. And this is also our contribution to the global war on terror. In behalf of the National Security Advisor, Eduardo Año, we would like to commend the Philippine National Police, the AFP, the NICA, the Anti-Money Laundering Council, and the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission for effecting this arrest of Myrna A. Mabanza, a designated global terrorist by the United States and also by the Republic of the Philippines.